Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make a background transparent in Photoshop. Step 1, make transparent background. And step 2, make transparent anything without background. Okay. I apply first of all transparent background. First of all, remove this item and see this transparent background. Go to search bar and type for best way. Apply this process. Snipping tool. I already pinned this tool. Then click a new and selected transparent background. Click save as and save. Type a name anything. Example I use BZT. Okay. Again open this BZT or down. Press Ctrl T. Then save as. And again step 2, remove the background. Remove this background or hold Ctrl, delete this background, then click save as, use format PNG desktop location. Then see this, open save without background, transparent background and with transparent background. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.